Hello and welcome to the Sunflower Show, Yui Engineer. Today we have a big boy which we'll be introducing to you all. Now what's this? This is the AnyCubic Photon M3 Max and today you will be reviewing this piece of machine. Yay! It arrived beautifully boxed up. It does have a bit of dents on the box, but let's see the inside. Wow! Look at these frames and setup. I'm really liking the metal frame inside the packing which protects the printer. After some heaves and hooves, we got it out and this is how it looks like. We can see that everything is fully intact. The metal casing needs to be removed using a screwdriver. Let's get it removed and see what's inside. Look at what we have here! I've worked with different sizes of resin printers, so I'll be comparing their print bed sizes as well in this video. First, this is the AnyCubic Photon print bed. It's around the size of my palm. This is commonly used for printing minis and it's quite popular. Second is the AnyCubic Mono X print bed, which is around the size of my 2.5 palm. And you can see it when I do the comparison with the AnyCubic Photon print bed just how much bigger it is. I would say that it's pretty decent sized. And lastly, this is the AnyCubic Photon M3 Max print bed. Just look at it! You can see a stark difference in sizing here. It's not very heavy, but it's sturdy and it is very big. Super quick side note time. For most hobbies, there's two types of 3D printer which are most commonly used. One is the FDM type printer like the Ender 3 Max, which I did a video for, link in description. Another is the resin printer like this one. For a resin printer, one of the main pros is that it can print way higher detailed item and has a way better finishing in comparison with the FDM type printer. This is why resin printer are popular among those who want higher detailed prints like miniature printing and figure printing. However, there are times when one would want a high detailed bigger print or a faster print. The typical resin printer would have some limitation as it tends to have a really small print bed and it also costs more for material as well as printer with sizing account. That's where this big boy comes in. The AnyCubic Photon M3 Max 7K is definitely a game changer with its budget cost around RM4 to 5K, which is way cheaper than its similar sized brethren such as the Frozen Sonic Mega 8K, just a little bit bigger at a pricing of approximately RM10K, or Pure Poly Phenom XXL, which is around RM30K. Don't think you can get it in Malaysia though, referencing below. By the way, a typical small resin printer like the LD002H can be purchased at around RM1.4K. Another big charm of the AnyCubic Photon M3 Max is its auto-resin refill function. The big issue with the big print is it takes a lot more material, and the worst thing that can happen is it prints on empty material. So, this function really is a lifesaver. Just need to take extra notes when fixing up the auto refill system. Ta-da! These are the parts involved in the process. Do follow the instruction to set the pipes up. One of the rods is for heating to keep the bottled resin for refill at the same temperature as the resin bed, so there won't be any air bubble when it refills, while the other one is to take the resin in to be refilled. You do need an AnyCubic resin bottle for the process, but it can be refilled with any other suitable resin. It also has a holder for it to be attached to the back of the printer. Friendly warning. Do note, not to fill. If you do refill the AnyCubic resin bottle, to not refill too much, as there's another tube over there that is used to push air into the resin bottle, and when it stops, it sucks air, so your auto refill engine will go boom. Don't ask me how I know about that. By the way, the machine came with a 1-year warranty, although the process was a little bit tricky. This is how it will look like once it's set up. Then, we get to put in the resin bed. Do note to hook it up properly with the auto refill system. For this review, I did a test print with a Miku Hatsune 3D model by Printed Obsession. Link in description. First, I sliced the file up in Cheeto box and make sure to have enough support. Pour in resin to the resin bed. plugged in my pen drive, and started the print. Waku waku! It's printing time! This is the result after it was printed, washed, cured, and assembled. Only slight cleaning done. I would say that I'm pretty happy with the result. And the print was relatively quick too. Waifu print secured! Time for a sunflower rating! Build volume, I will give it a 8 sunflowers since it's got a pretty decent sized build volume. It can pretty much print half a helmet in one go. Ease of use, 6 sunflower as you need to know how to use resin printers because most resin printers are not beginner friendly. It can be messy. Value for money, 9 sunflowers because for this print size, at this pricing, wow. If you like what I do remember to subscribe, like, and share. Do tell me your thoughts about this printer as well. And I'll see you next time. Matahana!